We are fighting against those who are trying to destroy the world.
We are in a state of crisis, both in terms of biodiversity and climate change. Our environment is suffering because we're pushing it to the brink, and we don't really know where that cliff edge is. We just know that we're heading towards it at a dangerous pace.
We have had lobbyists, politicians who have been trying to distract, delay and deny what's happening, but also the changes that are needed. We need to show them that we will not let them get away with continuing like now, because they are doing so because they think that they can get away. More and more people are starting to wake up and see the reality that we face. We have each other, and yeah, we're in this together.